na duine an dú ha mé an Bhunsgoil Chondorrait an cumar na nalt, gus féin amach cimar a bheits a chláin is a scoil seo a cleachadh na Gàidhlig. Ha siomh sé uile ag a bhór seo ar son uair go measgachadh. Díobh si bhideo?
Hashin a gobal in duine nasbeke agus a ledige agus a gobal.
So ma ha leorachge agus tófan nach buach cínteach chun a faclan an búsa an gideochu.
Bhí me like a spelling out na faclan agus a cleachadh a sin bhar.
Agus sin nuí na hástal go coig cinneó sia?
Coig is sin.
Má hín.
Measgachadh? Go féil? Gàidhlig?
So dé sin na gra?
Sí.
Sin glíomh?
So you don't speak Gaelic, Caddis, but you've maybe heard people speaking Gaelic in the school, is that right?
Yes, my fake cousin, what we call her cousin, she is in a Gaelic class.
And does that mean that you sometimes learn words from her and hear her speaking Gaelic?
Yeah.
I can speak to people with different languages. What cannot speak English, I can speak Gaelic to them. If they don't speak Gaelic, I can teach them to speak Gaelic.
It's quite fun.
Yeah.
Written more like hashin a fine tall opportunities, hashin a gene of Celtic connections. Here Monday last Sheachdain, agus vashin rivisach sporza, agus hatar like opportunities of vashin Caill I and in classes I a fine, agus haididach hashin ounce of Gaelic, agus hashin a fine sin.
Agus an talacht a Gaelic?
Yeah.
Stel go bhór? Stel?
Yeah, it's tall.